Hello, my name is First1. Today I'll be unboxing a Cyber Herculeo Yellow Jingle Bells Attack Type Performance Tip. Awesome launcher. It's a two colors, it's a multicolored launcher, and I quite like the Jingle Bells, so let's get back to unboxing. Let's see. Okay, let me just say that this. Okay, just to get this. Here is the blue attack type performance tip. These gravity balls, pretty neat. I think the gravity balls gives it more stamina, and the combo launcher. And the hair is gonna be the rip cord, the black rip cord. Pretty neat. Oh yeah, and here's the bay. It's got a Herculeo looking performance tip. Rock carry spin track. As you can see, it looks like there's a Cyber Pegasus fusion wheel, and well, you know, it just isn't. Oops. Well, this is a rare bay, real rare, but back when these two parts are customized together, it makes it the ultimate attack type combo. If you look on other YouTube videos, you probably will be able to see this, the best attack type combo. Then now I'll introduce the pieces. It's like this. Cyber wheel, Herculeo's face belt, if you can see that. Herculeo's energy ring. Oh, and if you don't get a closer look at the fusion wheel, I can show you. Spin track. Pretty neat. I'm pretty sure you can take this off like this. Yeah, it's basically like a 6-piece top end. Here comes to the white performance tip. Now, if you're wondering what the bay will look like with this on, I'll be happy to show you. And if you want to change performance tips, fine by me. I think this is a attack type day or something. So I'm just gonna do a little change. Putting this piece on. Putting this piece on. Then I'm gonna put the attack type performance tip. That's mostly on attack types. Now, here's the bay, and bye!